So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about a command called hostname and its uses. So hostname is used to display the hostname of the server. Like for this server I have set it worker-1 as a hostname. Okay, so there's some other options are available like hostname-a. It shows the alias if alias is set it on the server. Okay, we are having this alias here, and if you use capital A, it will give you FQDN, fully qualified domain name, and we are having -d to set the domain name. Okay, domain name is not set. There is no domain attached to this server. FQDN we have already set. You can use hostname-i to see the IP address if hostname is resolvable. If the hostname is getting resolved, then only that IP will kept. But if you use capital I with the hostname, it will show all the IP in respect of hostname is able to resolve or not. See, we got 172 IP also in this. Hostname-s, we are having short name, but here we are having the same name, and hostname-v, capital V for version number. Okay, so version number we are having hostname 3.20. But there is one more command. We are able to see hostname, but how you will set the hostname? For setting a hostname, first you have to become a root user. There are two methods. First, hostname, like I can say, uh, test worker, okay, -1. I set temporary name. It's showing like this. On bash is not showing. Let me, okay, it got updated here. But if I restart this server, okay, host name will roll back to the previous condition like worker-1. Okay, let me restart it. Okay, server came up. Let me log in it again. Boom. Okay, let me clear my screen. If I run hostname command, oh, hostname is back to worker-1, but what we have set it? We have set it for hostname test worker-1 because we are not setting the hostname in a file, and the file located here in /etc host name. Okay, so if we made the changes in this file, this will become permanent. So like here, I'll do test worker-1. Okay, that's the hostname I want. Now this file will be read at the time of booting time only, it will get read. Now if I type host name test worker-1, it will get set host name, and if I reboot it again, we'll get the test worker-1 because we have set those things in a host file. So if you want to make a changes in a host name, you should use cat/etc host name file. Okay, okay, server came up. Boom, you are able to see test worker-1. Okay, host name test worker-1. If I do it, I will roll back the changes. I will remove the test from this. This is the original name, host name. Okay, I will log out and log in, then I will run hostname. It's same. After reboot, it will take reflect, or otherwise I have to put hostname worker-1. Okay, in this method we can use, or else we have to wait till the system restart. But in corporate environment, we'll not restart it, or we are not changing the host name. We'll set at the time of installation. Post installation, we'll do the host name check, IP addresses and all. So what option we are having? We are having host name, which will show the host name currently set on the environment. Then we can use hostname-a to see the alias. hostname hyphen capital A for the FQDN name, hostname hyphen D for the, if it is attached to any domain, and hostname hyphen I for I to resolve the IPs. Okay, if hostname is resolvable, and capital I will show all the IP which is attached to this server. As for short name we'll use, then hostname file like cat/etc hostname, this file I am referring to. Okay, that's the all about this hostname command. So that's the use. If you are changing a host name, if you are making some changes in a host name using a hostname command, that's it, not permanent. If I am using host name and test worker one, this is not the permanent. Post reboot it will get changed. So if you want to make a permanent host entry, hostname entry, trigger to this file, make changes to this file. Then this file will be read by the system at the time of boot. So if you reboot that system, that time it will read. So just making a changes to this file is not enough. You have to reboot, or else make the changes to this file, use hostname command, give the hostname like this, then it will work. Better way I will suggest, edit the hostname file, restart the system, check the changes. Okay. So that's all for hostname command. You can learn yourself. If you want some help, you can put in a comment box. I will able to help you. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye. See you in the next video.